Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Aadhaar Operator and Supervisor Exam Question and Answer Chapter 3 Onboarding, Enrollment Agency and Enrollment Staff. The new syllabus based course for ideal read. Set video speed at 1.25x, then watch it. Okay, let's start. Chapter 3 Onboarding, Enrollment Agency and Enrollment Staff. Question number 1. The registrar and enrollment agencies shall only use the enrollment or update software provided or authorized by the DES. Option A operator, option B UIDAI, option C supervisor, option D resident. And answer is option B UIDAI. Then move on to question number 2. DES coordinates the onboarding process of operator or supervisor with registrar and ES. Options are option A operator, option B observer, option C authority head office or authorities regional office, D enrollment agency. And answer is option C authority head office or authorities regional office. Next, test to capture coordinate of the enrollment device needs to available at all times. Options are option A television, option B GPS device, option C FM radio, and answer is option B GPS device. Then next, DES monitor the approval of enrollment center plan and may intervenes where required. Options are option A registrar, option B authority head office or authorities regional office, option C observer, option D operator. And answer is option B authority head office or authorities regional office. Next, DES declares enrollment station deployment plan, that is when and where the centers will be established before opening any enrollment center. Options are option A registrar, option B authorities regional office, option C enrollment agency, option D observer. Answer is enrollment agency. Then next, DES needs to ensure and prove that they have certified the active operator, requisition machines and hardware to be deployed at enrollment center. Options are option A registrar, option B authorities regional office, option C introducer, option D enrollment agency. And answer is option D enrollment agency. Then next, DES update enrollment center information on the UIDA portal. Options are option A enrollment agency, option B authorities regional office, option C introducer, option D registrar. And answer is option A enrollment agency. Next, DES needs to be connected to the internet during the process of onboarding. Options are option A enrollment client, option B operator, supervisor, introducer, option C registrar, option D introducer. And answer is option A enrollment client. Next, enrollment client needs to be connected to the DES during the process of onboarding on enrollment staff. Options are option A Ethernet, option B registrar, option C internet, option D observer. And answer is option C internet. The next, enrollment agencies will have to undergo an onboarding process for DES. Options are option A authorities regional office, option B self enrollment station and enrollment staff, option C completion of enrollment, option D updating activities. And answer is option B self enrollment station and enrollment staff. Next, for onboarding of operator supervisor, the user credential file generated is a digitally signed by test file. Options are option A .mp3, option B .docx, option C .xls, option D .xml, and answer is .xml. Then next, if verification of user's biometric details is successfully completed with his or her Aadhaar details and stored in local database, he is a DES user. Option A onboarded, option B enrolled, option C both 1 and 2, option D not enrolled, and the answer is option C both 1 and 2, onboard and enrolled. Then question number 13, when the quality of biometrics is above threshold, DES will be shown to user confirming his or her approval. Options are option A pass indicator, option B left slab, option C right slab, option D 2 thumbs, and answer is pass indicator. And next, question number 14, after biometrics of operator or supervisor are captured on enrollment client, authentication request is sent to test server. Options A registrar, option B enrollment station, option C authorities, option D enrollment agency, and answer is option C authorities. Then question number 15, DES is not required while onboarding disassociation of the operator or supervisor. Options are option A status of entity, option B pass indicator, option C status, option D biometrics confirmation, and answer is option D biometric confirmation. Question number 16, only after successful verification of biometrics of operator or supervisor with CIDR, the user DES is allowed to proceed. Option A enrollment button, option B onboarding, option C disassociation, option D authentication, and answer is onboarding. Question number 17, authority headquarter or authorities regional office coordinate with DES the onboarding process of enrollment staff. Options are option A enrollment station, option B enrollment clients, option C registrar and enrollment agencies, option D observers and introducers, and answer is registrars and enrollment agencies. Then question number 18, during local biometric verification, the biometrics provided by the DES are verified from the biometrics stored in the enrollment client. Options are option A enrollment agency, option B operator or supervisor, option C registrar, option D user, and answer is operator or supervisor. Then question number 19, if the verification of user's biometric details is not successfully completed and not stored in the local database, it will appear as DES in status. Options are option A onboard, option B enrolled, option C not enrolled, option D withheld, and the answer is option C not enrolled. Then question number 20, enrollment agency will update enrollment center information on the DES portal. The latest URL needs to be confirmed by the DES. Options are option A enrollment station registrar, option B operator or supervisor, authorities regional office, option C QAMIS portal nodal officer, option D MG MN RE Monrega website enrollment agency? And answer is QAMIS portal or nodal officer. Question number 21. For days and days, onboarding and local biometrics verification is mandatory for login onto the enrollment client. Options are option A, introducer, registrar, option B, operator supervisor, option C, enrollment agency, enrollment client, option D, introducer, registrar, and answer is option B, operator supervisor. Next, during authentication, biometrics of the operator or supervisor are compared against the biometric provided by them during the time of their own death. Option A, association, option B, enrollment, option C, disassociation, option D, hiring, and answer is option B, enrollment. And question number 23. The enrollment client check that the operator or supervisor are not days or days and restrict them from onboarding. Option A, suspended, blacklisted, option B, associated, or on board, option C, none of the above, option D, both 1 and 2. Answer is option D, both 1 and 2. Then question number 24. The operator or supervisor can be onboarded on multiple enrollment clients without deassociation. Option A, true, option B, false, and answer is option B, false. Then question number 25. Blacklisted operator or supervisor can be allowed to work using different certificate. Option A, true, option B, false, option B, false. Okay dear, that's all for today. Thank you. Keep subscribing our channel. If you are watching at Facebook, then like our page. Thank you guys. Best of luck.